All right, so here we are. It's all glued up. It's all glued together. This thing is, it's pretty stout. I'm telling you, it's pretty strong stuff. Once you glue it all together, and then once we put resin on it, it'll be like a block of concrete. So there you go. The idea is this is just going to be a wall here, and we're going to end up cutting this back quite a bit, because the further we go back, the wider the opening is going to be, right? So we're probably looking at that maybe that second layout that we had. But the reason we do this here is so we can have more to cut out than we want to. So this is all going to be open, this whole bit here. But that's it. We're going to brush some resin on it, and I guess we'll bring you some video of that later on. Hopefully we get some resin on it. I think we're going to go with Bondo instead of clay, because at this point we're running out of time. We spread Bondo on there and just knock it down with the 90. I mean, it doesn't even have to be smooth or nothing, because what we'll end up doing is covering it with masking tape, like I mentioned, and then putting the green seal on the masking tape, because the outside of this is actually going to be the inside of our scoop. So it really doesn't matter what it looks like. No one's going to see it, right? We'll go ahead and body work the outside of the part when we're done as best we can, but we're not going to spend a ton of time on that either. If I have to, I'll just put a big sticker on it. I will spray it black, and we'll put a sticker on it, out of sight, out of mind. No one's going to see it at 150 miles per hour anyway, right? Francis, that was for you. So there you go. Rock on, folks. We'll bring you some more of this little project here as we go. As I said, this is going to be our base. We will do all of our grinding from that point, angled and everything, but we'll stay off this edge altogether, except to run the Bondo around it. So that's it. Talk to you soon. Godspeed.